say happy birthday. Happy birthday. By the way, it's August 23rd, 2008, which would make me 14 years old.
Birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you, Nikki. I love you.
You have frosting all over your nose.
No, I said that's not
No, I don't.
It's not your birthday?
Oh my god. It's a video. Hi!
Well, this is fucking gay congrats.
We're doing yard work.
Yeah, white spot on my ass.
Yeah.
No homo.
Alright. Teamwork for yard work. Woo! Kill it! It's a lizard! No! Don't!
Nikki, stop.
Don't kill the lizard! What's gonna work? Yard work! Shut up. Fuck! No, okay. Open it up, Nikki. Stick it in, Elizabeth. Do you want to go away? I just cut myself on my knee.
Look, Nikki's actually working. Whoa, she can throw. Look, Nick, Vic.
Kevin. Nick, Joe, Kevin.
No. Kevin, Nick, Joe.
No, like this. 1, 2, 3. There's 3 boys right here. Kevin, Nick, Joe.
Good.
That's Nick. Nick.
Who's this one?
That's Kevin.
Good girl.
I got a dollar babies. Wanna see the not that far. It's supposed to be inside my head. When I'm singing, we'll find you. Gotta find you. You say I'm sure. Never go. Come on,